Hello dear English learners. Welcome back to my channel. This channel helps to learn English. Please subscribe, like and comment. Today's story about nature. In a quiet village surrounded by mountains, a little stream danced its way through the forest. Every morning, the sun kissed the dewdrops on the leaves, making them sparkle like tiny diamonds. Birds sang cheerful songs, and butterflies painted the air with colors of joy. One day, a young boy named Aaron wandered into the forest, following the melody of the stream. He found a small, wounded bird and gently carried it to a patch of wildflowers. Days passed, and under Aaron's care, the bird regained its strength. When it finally flew away, it circled above him, as if saying, "Thank you." Aaron realized that nature, in all its beauty, thrives when kindness and care are part of its story. From that day on, he promised to always protect the forest that had given him such a magical friendship. Thanks for listening. See you the next video. Bye bye.